Hello you guys, so we're gonna do another unboxing. Is this crooked? I don't know. Can't really tell. Oops, Blaine's crying. Okay, so Blaine literally just woke up, so we're gonna have a little visitor. Yes. Are you camera today? Okay, so let's get into this. I think this one is number 8. Right? I think so. I don't know. I need to like start actually looking to see which one they are before I start filming. Okay. And I'm sorry. Is this camera crooked? I feel like it is. And I don't know how to... Oops. Excuse you. Okay. I think it's fine. So. First up, we have a dress. Oh, this is cool. So this is like, so here's, I think it's like the necktie, but it's like the... What is this? This reminds me of like, you know, like the movie Grease and stuff. It says Pink Ladies. I don't know what Pink Ladies is, but that's super cute. Super cute. I'm going to put that back in the bag so that everything stays together. And then... Hi. Did you have a good nap? No. Okay, next up is a, oh, it's a dress. Another like 80s style vibe. Is that 80s? I don't know. Is that a stupid question? Okay, here it is. There's the bottom. Here's the top. There's the back. So here is a cardigan. What's up? Oh, you want your... Yep, go grab your underwear. So he's actually potty training right now. And he just... Yeah, go get some underwear. So I just have him in a diaper right now because he was napping, but... Okay, here's a black cardigan. It's got shoulder pads. What's that? This is... So it looks like some workout. There's 2. So I'm just going to open one. Looks like it's just some leggings. Oh, you wanted shorts. You can put those on, can't you? You're a big boy. You got to put underwear on, though. You got to put on some underwear. Can you go put some underwear on, please? There's those. Can you please go put on some underwear? Go get some underwear. Oh, they're in the bathroom, I think. The other ones are in the bathroom. Get that rolled up. I was really hoping to get this filmed before he woke up. But, okay, then we've just got some underwear here. Oh, you got one upside down. Just a second, buddy. Mom will help you. Just let me get this one done. Okay, and then we've got a bikini. Looks like some high-waisted bottoms. And then here's the top. And there's the back. Super. I like that, actually. I like the little tie there. Okay, and I'll be right back. I'm going to go get him situated. Dad! Okay, we're back. Dad! What is it? Dad! Your socks? We're not going anywhere, bud. So then we have this cute white blouse. This this looks like a bunch of items. It's a bunch of underwear. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. And I will say, for some reason, underwear sells really good. I've sold like every pair. I sell them for like super cheap, but I've sold like all of the underwear I've listed. It's all new, but it sells really well, I will say. And then we've got a dress. There's a dress. Oh, you want to get in there? Okay, I'm going to move you guys over here. Oh, he is something else today. He's grumpy. Okay, this is like all shoe. So this is a lot in this one package. So there's this. Oh, I said also it's a small shoe. Okay, so first, oh, this is cute. A long sleeve shirt. There's like a ruffle on the front there. And then it looks like a couple more long sleeves. Nursing, oh, these are nursing tops. Okay. So I'm gonna I'll sell it all separate probably. You wanna come help me? He's not in a good mood. Okay, so first up we have, oh, careful, bud. Is this a sports bra or swimsuit top? Oh, I think it's a sports bra. Excuse me. Buddy, can you please move? Yeah, it's a sport, no, I think this is swimsuit because these are bottoms. Yeah. So that's, oh, what's up? And then we have a skirt. This looks like some lingerie. Yep. Please move. Bud. No, okay, I'm gonna move the camera then. Okay, I'll move you guys back here. Then we have some lingerie, a little dress. But it's fine. This looks like it must be a swimsuit. Yeah, it's a tankini. So, oh no, this is a one. No, yeah, this is a top. This is a tankini. And then just some black bottoms. I'm not even gonna pull them out right now. This looks like it must be a pajama set, I'm guessing. So here's some bottoms. It's a Christmas one, and then it says Merry Christmas, it's the top. Why are you being like that? Come here. You want a hug? You want a hug? I love you. Okay. And then this is I think it's inside out, but it's just a blouse. What are you doing? Then we have some leggings. They're 90 Degree is the brand name. here we have a pair of gloves. I don't know. Not really sure what I guess they're for, but here is. There's a pair. I just pulled one out. Do I got a sticker on my leg? You put a sticker on my leg? And then we have something very white. Here's some cute lace sleeves. And then I have a sweater here. It's got the front pockets. This is just the waist trainer. I have gotten so many of these from this Nobility brand. This looks like it's just a tan one, so I'm not going to pull it out because I've showed it a million times. Most of them are black. This one's tan though. It's like high-waisted. It's like underwear. And then I think this is a bunch of socks. Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Okay, I got these nails and I'm thinking they're about to come off soon. That's fine. Okay, and then here is just a hoodie. Very thick. It's Sherpa line. It's very thick. Here is, oh, that's cute. It's a sweater. I might save this for myself. It says Mama. What size? It's a large. I might keep this for myself. Yeah, I think I might keep that. It's cute. I like it. So let me put that in a different pile. I'll have to try that on. See how it fits if I like it. Okay, and then we've got another tankini, so it's a halter tie. And then just a pair of black bottoms. Let's stick this in a bag. Butt lifter panty. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so, oh, interesting. I have never seen one of these. So there's a butt. It's literally like cut out the cheeks. Huh. I've never seen that before. Oh, Ace, go lay down. He is soaking wet and he stinks. Okay, this is, looks like it's a little dress, a halter dress. That's cute. It's a size extra small. It's very small. Here's some leggings. This is also the 90 Degree brand. I don't know, I might just keep a pair of these. I've gotten a bunch and I always like capri leggings. I use them a lot for work. Oh, this is just a swimsuit bottom. Bikini bottom. We've got some lingerie here. Yeah, so there's a bra. There's that. And then there's the underwear for it. See-through back, and what's this? Another bra. This must be a different. I don't know. I really don't know how all this lingerie stuff goes. I am very clueless to all this. So there's that. I will say, a lot of people seem to return lingerie and swimsuits and leggings. Those are big ones. And waist trainers. Shapewear. What is that? Scarlet Darkness. It's a dress. There's the back. The buttons a little bit. That's cute. We've just got a few more items left here, and we'll be done with this one. And then this is, I don't know, what is this? Oh, it's a jumpsuit. But it's like capris. And down to the last 4 items. Okay, here is it says, I have the tiger. That's a cute shirt. And then I like the, whatever that is. It doesn't have the lace in it, but. Okay, then we have another dress. Or is this a jumpsuit? No, it's a jumpsuit. So there's the pants, and then it ties around as a belt. Here we have a bodysuit, bedazzled bodysuit. Did you give them a sticker?
I didn't know where they are.
They're behind the deodorant. Okay, and last but not least, we have Crazy Yoga, a pair of jogger sweatpants, some white ones. I'm getting a lot of that Crazy Yoga brand, but that seems to sell decently well. So that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.